In the soft light of Eid morning, a modestly furnished home awakens with a feeling of warmth and quiet anticipation. The family stirs, their simple, clean clothes reflecting the purity of the day. The mother, with a gentle smile, prepares a humble breakfast of dates and milk, her movements filled with love. The father quietly observes his family, his eyes reflecting a deep, unspoken affection. Mirha surveys the living room, a flicker of disappointment clouding her face. She turns towards her mother, a question hanging in the air. With a touch of melancholy, Mirha asks, Ami, hamari Eid dodi sada hai na? Mom, our Eid is a little simple, isn't it? Her mother responds with warmth. Beta, dil se manai gaid sab se hub surat hoti hai. Daughter, an Eid celebrated from the heart is the most beautiful. Muhammad Hussein bursts with laughter, a vibrant balloon dancing in his grasp. Deko, main Eid mana raha hoon. Look, I'm celebrating Eid, Muhammad Hussein exclaims, his voice echoing with pure delight. The father watches Muhammad Hussein, a tender smile gracing his features. Tum dono hamari sab se body Eidi ho. You both are our greatest Eid gift, the father declares, drawing Mirha and Hussein into a heartfelt embrace.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.